Welcome to Bite-Sized Manners, Coding with Kindness. Today we're going on an adventure to explore the order of things. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi everyone, I'm Robo and I love to code. But sometimes I get a little confused. Beep boop. So many things to do. Move arm, grab block.
Robo forgot an important step. In coding, we call this as sequence. Let's check the chart. Okay, the correct sequence is 1. Move arm 2, grab block 3, move arm to box. Finally, place apple in basket. Sequence means doing things in the right order, just like in a recipe. Let's see if Robo can complete the level now.
Beep boop, yay it worked. Who would have known that by just missing one step would cause me to lose? Thank you all so much for helping me today. You were amazing.
See? When we follow the right order, everything goes smoothly. Stay tuned to help Robo beat the next level. Like, share, subscribe.